Greetings colleagues. Only for you, today, I present the idea of a unique startup. The idea was born while working on a project for one customer who asked to restore the functionality on the site, which had been lost for a long time. The functionality is that users of my client's site went to the site and were able to create posters for their events. The user enters the site, uploads his image, and fills in several fields of text about the event. Presses the Generate button, and an image is generated with the fields filled in according to the template, which looks like a poster. The user does not need to know anything about Canva.com or Photoshop. The user has a photo, texts about the event, and a simple form for filling in this data. Simple functionality, but as the client said, users liked it. The client is filming some amateur events, but this is not so important. What is the idea? A startup should offer some kind of widget or script to be installed on its website. Let me know if you need to explain what a widget is. This widget will work according to the previously described functionality. That is, our new startup proposes to use an easy-to-install functionality that can expand the functionality of simple content-oriented sites. Not so long ago, some sites positioning themselves as portals used such widgets from specific services very abundantly. For example, city portals used weather or news widgets. Why can't our idea complement similar sites? What is the business model? One business model could be the Canva.com business model or similar services, where users are offered additional functionality in a paid subscription. Since we are focused on a certain B2B2B model, the business using our widget will pay us for such a subscription. The paid version of the widget may offer some thematic templates, fonts, or elements to use. In the basic version, it can offer, for example, 3 pre-installed templates. In the paid version, dozens of similar templates. Simple template images are enough for different types of events that startup clients can use and fit the client's business theme. Another business model is to connect the print-on-demand type of business. In this case, after the generated image, users will be offered some services in which the user can immediately order a generated poster. Our startup receives a commission from the print-on-demand business and shares it with the site that installed the widget. Will it be just a poster? No. For example, in the world of print-on-demand business, the printing of invitations is a significant share. Is it possible, thanks to this idea, to offer printing of invitations? Of course. I didn't see such functionality in print-on-demand businesses or in services like Canva. If I missed something, please send examples. I'm sure they will be helpful. Let's try to analyze our idea in some cases. There is a regional flower shop, but the flower shop does not have a developer to work on the site functionality. A flower shop takes a script or widget from our startup. Installs on own site. The flower shop has a section on the website with wedding invitation printing. The average couple doesn't care where to order invitations to the wedding. And the order will be placed where marketing works better or where the client's loyalty to the business is higher. That is, our business model can be improved in such a way that startup clients will not only expand the functionality of their site but will also be able to earn money on it. Think about it. I tried to make a little functionality so that there is an understanding of how the image generation goes through. My idea is to have similar, broader functionality on your site, without the involvement of technical specialists. Yes, it is not a problem to make such an image in Photoshop or in Canvas. But your customers may not know this. It will be much easier and faster for them to do this on your site. The link to try it will be in the description. It may be different from what you see in the video. And if you watch the video a year after it releases this video, then perhaps there will already be a ready-made service. Mine or someone else's, created according to my idea, is another matter. Would you install a similar widget on your site to extend the functionality of the site for your users? Peace.